Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting for you. We're going to showcase some super cool gadgets that will take your room to a whole new level of awesomeness. From mesmerizing lighting to smart home accessories, we've got it all. So, let's dive in. Kicking off our list with the Govee Glide RGBIC LED wall. These are not your average LED lights. They're packed with features. The RGBIC technology allows you to create stunning dynamic lighting effects that sync with your music and can even mimic the colors on your screen. With the Govee Home app, you can easily control the lights, choose from various preset scenes, and customize your own lighting modes. Whether you want to set a relaxing ambience or throw a party, these lights have got you covered. Next up, we have the Fireplace Air Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser. This nifty gadget combines a cozy fireplace design with an aroma diffuser. Not only does it create a warm and inviting atmosphere, but it also fills your room with your favorite scents, thanks to the Essential Oil Diffuser feature. Just add a few drops of your chosen essential oil and let the soothing fragrance relax your senses. It's a fantastic way to unwind after a long. Prepare to be amazed by the VGAzer magnetic levitating floating LED bulb. Yes, you heard that right, it levitates. This innovative gadget uses magnetic levitation technology to float the LED bulb above its base, creating a mind-boggling visual effect. Besides being an eye-catching decor piece, it's also an energy-efficient LED bulb, providing a soft and warm glow. It's a conversation starter and a perfect addition to any modern room. Now, let's talk about the Hotffish Mini Air Humidifier. This little gadget is a game-changer, especially if you live in a dry climate or want to add some moisture to your room. The compact design makes it perfect for your bedside table or office desk. The whisper-quiet operation ensures you won't be disturbed while sleeping or working. It's not just a humidifier. You can also add essential oils to enjoy a delightful aroma while humidifying your space. If you want to take your window treatments to the next level, check out the Graywind Motorized shades. With just a tap on your smartphone or a voice command, you can effortlessly control the shade's position. Besides the convenience, these shades are designed to block out sunlight, reduce noise, and even insulate your room. Plus, they look sleek and modern, adding an elegant touch to your windows. Up next, we have the Ampulla Bedside Lamp, a multifunctional gadget that's perfect for your nightstand. This lamp boasts a unique touch-sensitive design, allowing you to adjust brightness levels with a simple touch. It also features a built-in wireless charging pad for your compatible devices, so you can charge your phone while you sleep. With its sleek and minimalist look, it's a perfect blend of style and functionality. Mirror on the wall. Who's the smartest of them all? The teeth-in Capstone Smart Mirror. Of course, this futuristic mirror is not your ordinary reflection surface. It's a full-blown smart mirror that can display various widgets, weather, news, and more. You can even connect it to your smart home devices and control them right from your mirror. It's like having your personal assistant in your reflection. Sleep like never before with the Malouf Shoulder Zone Dough Memory Foam Pillow. This pillow is designed to provide optimal support and comfort, especially for side sleepers. The unique shoulder recess ensures your neck and head align correctly, promoting better spinal alignment and reducing aches. The memory foam conforms to your body, making it feel like you're resting on a cloud. Let there be light, smart light. The Philips Hue Bloom Dimmable LED Smart Table Lamp is a must-have for any tech-savvy room. This compact lamp can be placed anywhere to create immersive lighting effects. With its millions of colors and adjustable brightness, you can set the perfect mood for any occasion. And the best part, you can control it using your smartphone or voice commands. Last but not least, we have the Hatch Restore Sound Machine, the ultimate sleep and wake-up companion. This smart device not only provides a variety of soothing sounds to help you sleep better, but it also simulates a sunrise in the morning, gently waking you up with a natural glow. It's like having your own sunrise right in your room, helping you start the day on a positive note. And there you have it, folks, 10 incredible gadgets that will elevate your room to a whole new level. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Also, find all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.